when the Tesla Model 3 sends in the fourth or fifth quarter of 2017, the $7,500 government-imposed credit for Tesla electric vehicles may never again be in full power. Tesla is making such a decent showing with regards to offering the more costly Teslas, Tesla Model S, Tesla Model X, that only they may potentially push Tesla past the 200,000 deals top that triggers bring down expense credits. Also, inside a year, there will be no Tesla credits by any means. That implies for the dominant part of Tesla Model 3 purchasers in the reservations line, if Tesla's conveyance course of events slips, there may not be a Model 3 $7,500 government-assessed credit, possibly not by any means the breeze it down $3,750 or $1,875 credits for purchasers taking conveyance after 2018. That is the most dire outcome imaginable. Everything relies upon the amount Tesla deals increase with the Tesla Model X hybrid now in the lineup close by the Tesla Model S car. On the off chance that Model S X deals do well, just the general population close to the highest point of the Model 3 holding up list are probably going to get the full $7,500 government charge credit, a small amount of the $275,000 that put down $1,000 stores worldwide before the finish of the principal end of the week after the Model 3 declaration. All things considered, Tesla might be able to change shipments and make the full acknowledge accessible to upwards of 25,000 to 50,000 Tesla purchasers, Models S, X and 3, past the 200,000 cutoff. What the $7,500 credit implies. On the off chance that you purchase another electric vehicle or model half-breed, you get an assessment credit of up to $7,500. The maximum sum is whether you purchase a battery electric vehicle, BEV, or a module half-breed, PHEV, with a battery of no less than 17 kWh. That is a credit against pay impose your expense obligation, through the span of the year, not the adjust to May or April 15th. On the off chance that you orchestrated your undertaking so you don't owe charges, you won't get the credit. On the off chance that you rent an auto,